Hi, are you ready to help me today?
Of course. I'm here to help. What can I assist you with today?
Okay, I'm bored. Can you tell me a nice joke to start my day?
Of course. Here's one for you. Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. I hope that brought a smile to your face. How can I assist you further?
How lazy can one possibly get? Now you can talk to ChatGPT and get answers. Go to Google, search for Talk to GPT extension. It's completely free. Add it as your Chrome extension. Once added, this box will appear in your ChatGPT interface. Now select it and it can begin talking. It will answer all your queries just like this. What's even more crazier? Go to 11 Labs and make your free account. Then in your My Profile section, select the API key, come back here, click on this part, then go down here and paste the API key here. This will give you a host of voices to select from. Absolutely mind-blowing. For me, I need to learn Marathi very fast. Can you come up with a learning plan for me?
Certainly. Learning a new language quickly requires dedication, consistency, and a multifaceted approach. Here's a basic plan to help you learn Marathi quickly. **** 1. Set clear goals. Short term. Be able to introduce yourself. Order food. Ask for directions. Medium term. Hold a basic conversation. Understand simple stories or news. Long term. Achieve fluency. Understand movies, literature, and complex conversations.
I need to send the upcoming festive season discount offer to all my existing clients.
Of
Can you
course,
come up with 5 subject?
crafting an enticing email subject line is crucial to ensure your clients open and read your message. Here are 5 subject lines tailored for the upcoming festival season discount offer. Festive delight. Exclusive discounts just for you. Celebrate the season with our special festival offers. Unwrap your festival savings early this year. Festival flash sale. Dive into big savings now. Brighten up your festivities with our exclusive deals.